The cap's gonna come in. The cap. The bearing's gonna come out of the thing.
Yeah. Friday? Dan gave me another difficult task. He wants to do his bike final transformation, hopefully. Fancy carbon wheels and Quarq Dzero powermeter. And being home mechanic, I can't knock the press fit Shimano bottom racket out. It's just for whatever reason super tight. And I'll let the master to do the work.
You just said the wrong word.
Do the work. This is a really good tool instead of hammering it.
Yeah, that's gonna.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. I need to buy this. Look at this one.
Good job.
I was too scared. It's a new bike.
Yeah.
Proper tools. Better than your biceps.
I said nothing of the sort.
Yep.
Has it got the name there?
The bottom rocker is out. And now we're gonna put the MFG bottom bracket. Apparently this is really durable and made in USA. Good choice. And Dan has no idea what that is. Just good bottom bracket.
Hope so.
Just came out of TED Cycles, and I told this legend, I said, oh, you gotta go forward, you can't U-turn here. And he goes, watch this.
Mate, city driving, not a problem.
Yep, you gotta learn every day.
It worked, didn't it?
Yeah,
Right, we're going the right direction.
Exactly, no cops, nothing.
No.
See?
Safe as houses.
Now I'm just gonna go home, finish off the base.
Come on.
Will you take part in my life, my love? That is my dream. Life is what I dream. It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it. Life is what I dream. It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it.
Legends! So Dan just left. I thought he needs the bike, you know, to ride it tonight. That's why we're rushing it, but he has to go home and visit sister in Geelong, I think. So I'm gonna take my time to finish off the beast. But weather's been good. Tomorrow's gonna be so crap. I'm gonna go for a little ride and then finish it off. Yeah. Now is fun times. Let's go. All right, so the plan is I'm just gonna cruise down local Quarq Creek bike path. Yesterday when I went on the 80k ride, accidentally I got 4th overall for a 5-minute segment. So, but I was doing only, I think it could be just under 200 watts. So today I'm gonna try 250 watts for 5 minutes. Obviously gonna be less, and I reckon I can pitch the KOM. Alright, so for your legends, don't come out here, alright? Alright, 2 things. 1, I look like a giant orange. 2, didn't realize how much I fatigue, so, but I know I can do better. Let's just have fun. No expectation. I wish I can tell you I did it, but it's a puncture. Okay, could repair it. I didn't finish it. It's not far from here now. I guess try next time. Alright, that was a pretty nasty puncture. Piece of glasses go right through the tire and tube. I was at that corner and then just all of a sudden I have no grip. I almost hit that tree. Alright, keep on going. Okay, continue from yesterday because after the ride yesterday I was just wrecked. At this point the shed is a mess, but I don't care. Just want to finish the bike and boom. Let's do it.
Will you